It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
Jubes Coconut Gel is a fibrous, cholesterol-free, and delicious dessert. Hours of fun munching these juicy cubes. Alrighty, so
Let's get these juicy cubes.
I'm gonna use scissors.
Hours of fun? Does that mean that it takes hours to eat them? Probably hours to eat them all. Are they in like...
Are they in juice?
Alright, let's dump them into a bowl.
Ooh, yum.
Yeah.
Can we try them?
It smells weird.
Do we like scoop them and do it?
Yeah, take a scoop of one and see what you think.
One,
Yeah.
two. There, you got two. Smells kind of juicy. The juice tastes like strawberries.
That kind of tastes like a fruit, like pineapple juice from a can. That is good. That tastes really good.
Yeah, that
Can
is
you have
very
another
good.
one, Mom?
What does it taste like, Emmett?
It's just like strawberries.
In the juice. It's really good, actually. I like the cubes.
Does it taste like coconut?
No. Has it? Not really. The juice is really good though. It tastes like strawberries.
What is it in?
It's kind of texture of
They
it.
feel like Jell-O.
Yeah, the texture of it's kind of jello-y but hard. It's very sweet. Does not taste like coconut. I'd say that those are really good.
Tastes like
What
pineapple.
do you think?
Did you try one? Should.
They
But
don't
you never
taste-
try stuff.
Oh yeah.
What do you think?
I don't think it tastes like coconut.
They taste like no coconut. They just taste sweet. So it kind of is like a jello-y, hard jello-y-ness. What's that face?
Well, Mom hates it.
Those are awful.
It tastes like
There she goes to
pineapple.
spit it in the trash can.
It's kind of like stringy when you chew it, so it kind of tastes like pineapple.
But
The
it's very
juice tastes like
sweet.
pineapple.
It's very, very
It
sweet.
tastes like really nasty sugar.
No, it does not.
The
That
flavor
tastes
is just
delicious.
the flavor of sugar. I don't taste strawberries, but the texture of it is
Try the juice, Mom.
terrible.
Try the juice. The juice is the best part. I think that's what makes it all sweet. You want to try one without?
You're just gonna drink the juice?
Yeah. Maybe. Yeah, I like them.
I do too. I give them a double thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs
Yeah.
up.
Is this a thumbs up?
That's a thumbs up. That's your thumb.
And this is my thumb?
Yep.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.